Kits and more than 300 photocopied original ID cards were yesterday recovered at the Maslah Lodge in Eastleigh. This followed a tip-off to the police from the residents. 4 suspects were arrested in connection to the incident.
The sound of gunshots filled the air last night at the Pangani police station after angry Eastleigh residents stormed the station following reports that BVR kits and important documents used in mass voter registration had been found at a lodge in Eastleigh. The residents stormed the station seeking to lynch 4 suspects who had been arrested carrying out the exercise. When KTN News arrived at the scene, the suspects had been arrested and the fake ID cards used in registration were in police custody. The suspects were arrested after a tip-off from wananchi.
Tulipata hizo fununu, tukafuatilia siku 3 tuliyopita, tukaleta ripoti, toka hapo Pangani police station, tukafuatilia, tukafika hadi za leo. Tumefika iko kwa nyumba gani, tukakuja ku report, tukachukua polisi, tukaenda kwa ile nyumba, tukapata ID 350, copy ya ambapo print out ambapo ameandikwa zaidi ya watu 1000 kadhaa.
According to the residents, the exercise had been ongoing for 1 week, and those registered are believed to be foreigners with fake Kenyan IDs.
Ile kitu tumepata ni hizi vitabu ambaye wamejaribu kuregister, ambaye ni jina, namba ya simu na namba ya IDs, ambaye hatujui kama tayari wameweka kwa hiyo system zao ama nini. Na hizi pia ni hizo forms ambaye pia wamejaribu kuzirecord. Hii ni telephone numbers, hii ni ID numbers na hizi ni majina.
Investigations into the matter are ongoing. Caroline B, KTN News.